Hi, I'm Karen Gibbs, Design Director for Banyan Batiks by Northcott. And we're talking about the Olivia Star today. So we've got all of our segments cut from the strip sets. And I want to show you what I was thinking when I told you to line up the one seam in the middle. Remember I told you you had to sew, you cut apart these, the same colors and then sewed it back together again. Seemed a little bit strange, but I want to show you why you did that, okay? So you're going to line up one of your diamonds on a design wall. That's the best way to see if you made it correctly. You know as well as I do, if you cut off just enough of the segments to make one diamond, okay, so two of each of the strip sets in one of strip set 8, and then line it up and look at it and proof it, right? And make sure you're correct. It's a lot easier to remove a seam of a strip set than it is all of those little teeny segment pieces. Okay, so put a design wall or a batty on the wall for a design wall. This is strip set 1 right here, right? Strip set 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then it goes backwards, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you're mirror imaging right here on strip set 8. Remember, you only use one of strip set 8 in the center, okay? The only seam you're gonna have to line up is right here. All right, that is the only seam. You don't have to line up any of the other seams in these diamonds. That's what makes it so cool, and that's why you put the extra effort of cutting those colors apart and then sewing them back together again. So it mirror images here and here, and then here and here, kind of like the X and Y axis in math class, right? I'm Karen Gibbs, and this is for the love of batiks.